Today I have a SP laserjet 2055D printer, and this printer problem is paper jam problem, and this printer paper jam quality is unique, and I did not get that type of problem ever. Maybe you also not. And today I will show this and why is this unique. Page the test page and see that it's taking paper, and you can see here is a paper jam problem. Okay, you can see here is a paper jam problem message, and you can see this. Why is this unique? Open the paper tray and I'm turn on the flashlight, and you can see this. Here is a paper jam problem, but this paper is very flat, no bended this paper inside, but paper is jam. Okay, showing paper is jam. Okay, today I'll fix this, and you can see here sometimes that type of problem we get from the fuser unit, but you can see this paper level is accurate. Okay, you can see here this is the problem, and here is a no also another pin page also. Sometimes that type of problem comes from the solenoid and the fuser unit, but this problem not like that. Okay, today I'll fix this. Let's start. Okay, now I open this printer and let's check this. Where is the problem? You can see here is one sensor in this fuser unit, and this sensor work with this lever, and sometimes that problem comes from also that type of problem, but I don't know this problem is from here or not. Let's check this after opening this printer. Let's see this problem. And is this paper jam. You can see here, and this is the paper jam quality, and some of paper out of the fuser unit, but okay. And let's see this problem. That is okay, here is no problem. This sensor is working, and this one also getting down, no problem here. Here is some, and this solenoid is also okay, working as well as good. Open the fuser unit. The unit, check this one is okay or not. Here is a simple way to check it. You just take one white paper and enter the paper path and rotate this gear. This is working, but this is very hard. Okay, Normally that is not possible to work in this, and this is very hard. You can see this here. I am working this, I am routing this gear. I did not get ever this type of hard the fusor unit, but this one is very hard. Maybe it will, when I will be free, maybe it will work properly. Okay, I just clean this fusor unit. I will not change anything in this area, just open it. Let's see this, what type of problem here. Friends, if you like our work, please do subscribe and like this video. This is very hard to routing. Pressure roller is gone damaged, and I have to change this pressure roller if I have. Otherwise, I will clean this and I will reinstall this pressure roller. In this time, I have no pressure roller, but I will use this after cleaning this pressure roller very properly. And you can see here is some dust and some glue on the pressure roller. And after I cleaning, I will reinstall this. Maybe it will work. Maybe this problem occurred due to the jamming the fusor unit. And this one also I will clean properly. Hopefully it will work. And this pressure roll temper is okay, and you can see this is very smoothly, and this performance is okay, but this side is have some problem, showing some problem, but it would be work at least 1 month or more than. Okay, after cleaning this, I will reinstall this, and here I open this. As I open this, definitely I will clean also this part. Okay. This is the simple work for the printer. Is the thermal paste. And after that I will use the thermal grease. Okay, this one is very important for this printer, that type of problem. Inside here is some dust. I need to clean this also. No, this is okay. and now it is very free. Okay, this is working very freely. And list. Okay, let's check this. Yes, and right now this is very free. Hopefully it will work perfectly. Okay, plug in the power cable. Let's check it again. What happened? Okay, yes, our problem is solved, and you can see this, and this is working as well as good. This problem comes from the fuser unit, and due to the fuser unit was huge jam, and this fuser unit cannot be rotate easily from the motor, and that's why. And when I free this area and use some grease, and it is smoothly work. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching. And again I am pressing. Let's see, and you can see this. Okay, viewers. Thanks for watching.